So this guy had very difficult time in solving this question based on vector and geometry. So let's help the guy. So hello guys and welcome to brand new channel of Mr. Pi, and we are trying to solve this vector based question which is asked in Reddit. So let's begin. So what we are given here is that AN is twice of OA, that is AN is twice of OA, and AP is equal to KAB, that is AP is a scalar product of KAB, and where MP and lie in a straight line, and OM is equal to MB, that is M is the midpoint of OB. Now what we are going to start is where we will find the position vectors of OM, OP and N. So let's begin with OM. So OM vector will be, so OB vector is denoted by, let's denote OB vector as B, and similarly let's denote OA vector as A, OA vector as A. So as M is the midpoint, so OM will be half of OB, that is OM vector equals to B by 2. Now let's write OP vector. So for OP vector, first will you use this given condition, that is AP. So what is AP vector? AP vector will be OP vector minus OA vector is equal to K times AB vector will be OB vector minus OA vector. So OP vector equals to K, OB vector is B minus A plus A. Okay, so we have solved OP vector. Now let's try to find ON vector. So ON vector will be thrice of A, because this is A and AN is twice of A, so this will be 2A. So when we add this, we'll get 3A. So we were done with the our task of finding the position vectors. Now let's find and solve it. So MP and NR is a straight line. Okay, so what we can write is that MP is equal to X times MN. Okay, what you're using here is that this MP is collinear of X and N, so we are using this equation. Now what is MP? MP means OP vector minus OM vector. Similarly, X times MN means ON vector minus OM vector. So what is OP vector? OP vector is K times B minus A plus A and minus OM. OM vector is minus B by 2 equals to X times ON vector. So ON vector is 3A, X times 3A minus X times OM vector. OM vector is B by 2. Okay, B by 2. Now KB minus KA, KB minus KA plus A minus B by 2 is equal to X 3A minus X. So X 3A minus X B by 2. Now we will just keep it under the same roof, that is B. So B equals to K minus 1 by 2 plus A. So we'll take A common, we'll get 1 minus K, and finally this K is equal to X 3XA minus B by 2 X by 2 B. So now we can equate the corresponding terms, that is with B we have X by 2 and with other B we have K minus 1 by 2. So K minus 1 by 2 equals to minus X by 2. Similarly for A we have 1 minus K, and for the other we have 3X. So X equals to 1 minus K by 3, minus K by 3. Okay, now K minus 1 by 2 equals to, the value of X is minus 1 minus K by 3. So minus 1 minus K by 3 to 1 by 2. Okay, so 2K minus 1 is equal to 2K minus 1. So we have to get LCM and we will eliminate the other two, and we will have K minus 1 upon 3. So 2 raised 6K minus 3 equals to K minus 1. So we'll take the K to the other side and we'll take 3 to the other side, so we'll get 5K is equal to, we'll get 2, that is K equals to 2 by 5, which will be equal to 0.4. So this is the main answer. I hope you like the video. This question is quite tough and you must use various methods including geometrical and vector method to find the value. And thank you.